Morning, fellow netizens. How are you today? Hope you all in a good condition. I am Akhaiduri from Electrical Engineering University of Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa. Wants to presenting about what is a diode and what is it used for. A diode may be the simplest of all semiconductor components. However, it performs many critical functions, including the control of the flow of an electrical current. Here's a brief overview of the humble diode and what is it commonly used for. A diode is a device that allows current to flow in one direction but not the other. This is achieved through a built-in electric field. Although the earliest diodes consist of red hot wiring running through the middle of a metal cylinder, which itself was located inside of a glass of vacuum tube. Modern diodes are semiconductor diodes. As the name suggests, these are made from semiconductor materials, primarily doped silicon, conducting an electric current in one direction. Despite being nothing more than a simple two-pin semiconductor device, diodes are vital to modern electronics. Some of their most common applications include turning AC to DC, insulating signal from a supply, and mixing signals. A diode has the two sides and each side is doped differently. One side is the P side. This has a positive charge. The other side is the N side. This has a negative charge. Both of these sides are linked together to form what is known as NP junction, where they meet. When a negative charge is applied to the N side and a positive to the P side, electrons jump over this junction and current flows in one direction only. This is diode's core property. Conventional currents flow from the positive sides to the negative sides in that direction only. At the same time, electrons flow in one single direction, only from the negative side to the positive side, because this is because electrons are negatively charged and are attracted to the positive end of a battery. What are diodes used for? Diodes are extremely useful components and are widely used in modern technology. Light emitting diodes or LEDs, perhaps the most widely known modern application for diodes is in LEDs. These use a special kind of doping so that when an electron crosses the NP junction, a photon is emitted which creates light. This is because LEDs grow in the presence of a positive voltage. The type of doping can be varied so that any frequency color of light can be emitted from infrared to ultraviolet. Power conversion. Although LEDs may be the most widely known application to the average person in the common application, is by far the use of diodes for the rectification of AC/DC using diodes. Different type of rectifier circuits can create the most basic of which half wave, full wave, center tape, and full bridge rectifiers. These are extremely important in electronics. Power supplies, for example, a laptop's charge when an AC current, which comes from the main power supply, must be converted to a DC current, which can be stored. Over voltage protection. Sensitive electronic devices need to be protected from surge in voltage, and the diode is perfect for this. When used as a voltage protection device, diodes are non-conducting. However, they immediately short any high voltage by sending it to the ground where it cannot harm sensitive integrated circuits. For this use, specialized diodes known as transient voltage suppressor are designed. These can handle large power spikes over short time periods, which would normally damage sensitive components. Okay, I think that's all I can explain for the what is diode used for. Uh, Hope you all enjoying the video. For the rest of it, thank you for watching. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.